Good morning, students. Today we are studying the fourth chapter of computer, which is creating chart in Excel 2016. Let us discuss the next part. Okay, in our previous class we had studied about what are the types of charts, how many types of charts are there in Excel 2016. In the next part of this lesson we will be discussing about the elements of charts, how to create a chart, how to format a chart, how to change a chart. So these many things we are going to discuss in this lesson. Elements of chart. The different parts that make up a chart are referred to as chart elements. Let us understand the basic chart elements as shown in figure 4.18. Chart title. Chart title is a heading of the chart that usually describes what the chart represents. Chart area. Chart area refers to the area within which all the chart elements are placed. It is usually surrounded by a boundary. Then plot area. Plot area is the area bounded by the two axes in a chart. Then axis. Axis represent the horizontal and vertical lines that surrounds the plot area in a chart. In axis there are x-axis then y-axis. X-axis or the category axis represents the horizontal axis in a chart. It is used to display categories or time intervals. Y-axis or the value axis represents the vertical axis in a chart. It is used to display values for the various categories. Axis titles. Axis titles represents the description for the x-axis and y-axis. Data series. Data series refers to the set of values in a worksheet which is plotted in a chart. Data table. Data table displays the values represents in the chart in a grid at the bottom of the chart. Data labels. Data labels show the value of different data points in a chart. Legend. The legend or chart key identifies which data series each color on the chart represents. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines that make it easier to identify the value. Creating a chart. To create a chart, select the cell range that contains data for which you want to create a chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Recommended Charts button. Then the Insert Chart dialog box opens. On the Recommended Charts tab, select a chart from the list of charts, or on the All Charts tab, select the chart type you want to use. Then click the OK button. You can see in figure 4.20 how to click the OK button. Excel inserts the selected chart for the data in the worksheet. The Chart Tools Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. Then drag the sizing handles around the chart to resize it. Then creating a combo chart. To create a combo chart, select the data you want to display by a combo chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, click the Insert Combo Chart button. A gallery of combo charts appears. Click the type of combo chart you want to create. Excel inserts the selected combo chart in the worksheet. Adding chart elements. You can add various elements to a chart to make it more informative. To add a chart element, on the Charts Tool Design tab in the Charts Layout group, click the Add Chart down arrow. A drop-down menu appears. Then do any of the following. To add axis title, click Axis Titles and select the axis for which you want to display the title. An axis title text placeholder appears. In figure 2.6 you can see what is the axis title. Then click the text placeholder and change the title as desired. Click anywhere outside the text placeholder to insert the title. To add a chart title, click Chart Title and select a position for the chart title from the sub-menu that appears. The chart title text placeholder appears. Click in the text placeholder and change the chart title as desired. Click anywhere outside the text placeholder to insert the title. You can see in figure 2.9 how to sales report. To add data labels, click Data Labels and select the location for the labels from the sub-menu that appears. In figure 4.30 you can see. Then to add data table, click data table and select the type of table from the submenu that appears. You can see in your book how it works. In figure 4.31 you can see how the data table can be added. To add grid lines, click grid lines and select the type of grid lines from the submenu that appears. To add legend, click legend and select a position for the legend from the submenu that appears. Excel adds the chart element as per the selected option. When you select a chart, the following buttons appears on its top side: Chart Elements button, Chart Styles button, Charts Filter buttons. Changing the chart type. You can change the type or subtype of the inserted chart. To change the chart type, select the chart whose type you want to change. On the Chart Tools Design tab, in the Type group, click the Change Chart button. The Change Chart Type dialog box opens with the All Charts tab selected. Select the desired chart type and click the OK button. Excel changes the chart type of the selected chart. Changing the chart layout. The overall arrangement of elements in a chart is called its layout. You can apply various predefined chart layouts that include a combination of different chart elements. To change layout of a chart, select the chart whose layout you want to change. On the Chart Tools Design tab, in the Charts Layout group, click the Quick Layout button. The Quick Layout gallery appears. Then select the desired layout. Then Excel changes the layout of the selected chart. Changing the style of a chart. The overall appearance of elements in a chart is called its style. Excel provides several chart styles to quickly modify the look and feel of your chart. To change the styles of the chart, select the chart whose style you want to change. On the Chart Tool Design tab, in the Chart Styles group, click the More button. The Chart Styles gallery appears. Select the desired chart style. Then Excel applies the selected style to the chart. Formatting elements of a chart. To format a chart element, select the chart element you want to format. On the Charts Tool Format tab, in a current selection group, click the Format Selection button. Then the Format Chart Element task pane opens on the right side of the Excel window. Use the various options in the task pane to format the elements of the chart as desired. Excel formats the elements of the chart as per the selected option. Moving a chart. You can move the chart within a worksheet to a new chart sheet or another worksheet. To move a chart within a worksheet, move the mouse pointer over an empty area of the chart. The mouse pointer changes to a four-headed arrow. Then click the drag the chart to the new position. To move a chart to a new chart sheet or another worksheet, select the chart you want to move. On the Chart Tool Design tab, in the Location group, click the Move Chart button. To move chart dialog box opens. Do one of the following. Click in the New Sheet box and type a name for the chart. To move chart to a new chart sheet, click the object in down arrow and select the sheet to which you want to move the chart. Click the OK button. Excel moves the chart as per the selected option. Sparklines. Excel 2016 lets you create compact charts called sparklines, which summarize a data series by using a graph contained within a single cell. It is typically drawn without any axes or coordinates. Excel offers three types of sparklines: line, column, and win or loss. The line and column sparkles are compact and various of the standard line and column charts. The line and column sparkles are compact versions of the standard line and column chart. The win or less sparkline indicates whether a cell value is positive or negative or zero. To create a sparkline, select the data you want to represent with sparklines. On the Insert tab in the Sparklines group, click the type of sparkline that you want to create: line, column, or win or loss. Then, to create sparklines dialog box opens. In the location range box, specify the cell or cell range where you want the sparkline to appear. Click the OK button. Excel creates sparklines for the selected cell range. The Sparkline Tools Design tab appears on the ribbon. To format a sparkline, select the sparklines you want to format. On the Sparkline Tools Design tab in the Style group, do any of the following. To apply a predefined style to the sparkline, click the More button and select a desired style. To apply specific formatting to a sparkline, click the sparkline color or the marker color and select the desired option. Then Excel formats the selected sparklines as per the specified options. To remove a sparkline, select the sparklines you want to remove. On the Sparkline Tools Design tab, in the group, click the arrow next to Clear. Click the Clear selected sparklines. Excel removes the selected sparklines from the cell range.